Hello and welcome to a Phase 5 Phonics Mastery session. To take part in today's learning, you will need a piece of lined paper and a pencil. Pause the video to collect the resources you need and then click play once you're ready. Let's start by recalling all of our Phase 2, 3 and 5 sounds. I will show you a grapheme, that's a letter written down. And you can tell me the phoneme, the sound that letter makes. Well done everybody, fantastic effort. Let's recall our common exception words now. These are words which appear lots in our reading books, and we also use them loads when we're forming sentences in our writing books. I'll show you a word, and your job is to use your phonic clues and spot the tricky parts to help you to read the words. If you need some more thinking time, just pause on a word and then click play once you're ready. Can you help me to spell some common exception words? The first word I would like you to spell is the word were. Were. Not where, but were. Have you written it down? Can you tick or fix your spelling of were? How is the spelling of were different to the spelling of where? The next word I would like you to write is the word there. Not there, as in this is their coat and their pen. That would be the possessive there. But there, as in a destination or a place. Over there, I can see a window. There. I'll give you a clue. There are 5 letters in the word there. Can you tick or fix your spelling of there? This there, that's describing a place, is very similar to the spelling and the meaning of the word here. We have reached lesson 4 of our Phase 5 mastery lessons. Let's see what sound we will be mastering today. It is the digraph E. Which 2 letters make up this spelling of E? Do you know which letter families they belong to? They are both curly caterpillar letters. Let's practice forming them in the air. Can you put your finger on the green dot of the E? We're going to go up, around and down. And now the A, finger on the green dot. Around, up, down and flick. We're going to practice writing it on our lined paper now with our pencil. Are you sat in a good writing position? Do you have 2 feet on the floor? And is your back against the back of your chair? And is your hand resting on your paper to keep it still? Then let's begin. Let's form the E first. Up, around and down. I hope it's sitting on the line. And now the A. Around, up, down and flick. Did you remember to keep your pencil on the page that whole time when you were doing your A? Pause the video and practice writing this digraph. Then click play once you're ready. Can you think of any alternative spellings for the phoneme E? Can you think of any other ways that you know how to write E? Pause the video and write down your ideas and then click play once you're ready. Did you think of any of these E graphemes that are highlighted in the red box? Look at these 6 words. With your finger, can you underline the E digraph in each word? Notice the position of the E digraph in each word. Is it in the beginning of a word? Is it in the middle of a word? Or is it at the end of the words? This E digraph is usually found in the middle of a word. Not always, but usually. Can you pause the video and read all of these words? Then click play once you're ready. Did you manage to read these words? The first word was meet. The second was scream. The third was dream. Look at those adjacent consonants. The next was a polysyllabic word, unreal. Then the word clean, and the last one has the suffix ing on the end. It's the word reading. I bet you could help me to write some words with this digraph E in them. Look at that picture of the top. It is a necklace full of beads. Can you see there is more than one bead? So we need to write it as the plural of bead, which is beads with an S on the end. Let's stretch out the word beads. B-E-D-S, beads. And on your phoneme fingers, B-E-D-S, beads. How many phonemes are in that word? Can you write down the word beads? Why not add your sound buttons to show me where the digraph E is? Look at the next picture. Can you see the stream? Stream has 3 adjacent consonants. Str, str. Let's stretch out this word. Stream, stream. And can we put it on our phoneme fingers? Stream, stream. Wow, 5 phonemes. Did you hear them all? Can you write it down? Stream. Can you see the next picture? Do you know what we call that bird? It's a seagull. Seagull is a polysyllabic word. Let's clap the syllables in seagull. My turn. Seagull. Your turn. How many syllables were there? Can you show me on your fingers? 2 syllables. Let's stretch out the word seagull together. S-E-G-A-L, seagull. And on our phoneme fingers, S-E-G-A-L, seagull. 5 phonemes. Can you write down the word seagull? You might chunk it and write C and then gull, seagull. There is a digraph at the end of this word. We're going to check our spellings now, but if you're not ready, just pause the video and click play once you are ready. Can you tick or fix each spelling? I hope you got your B and your D around the right way in the word beads. And what about the word stream? Did you hear the S, the T and the R? I wonder, does your spelling of seagull have 2 digraphs as well? Well done, everybody. Look, the seagull is back again. We are going to apply our learning to write a sentence. This sentence also has the ow that we were learning about in session 2. Do you remember? We spelt it as O and U. Now you've had a little clue. Let's learn the sentence. My turn. There is a seagull next to the stream, and he is dreaming about his meal. Your turn. My turn. There is a seagull next to the stream, and he is dreaming about his meal. Say it with me in robot speak. There is a seagull next to the stream, and he is dreaming about his meal. My turn. There is a seagull next to the stream, and he is dreaming about his meal. 15 words? Wow! Can you say it with me again? There is a seagull next to the stream, and he is dreaming about his meal. 15 words. Pause the video and see if you can write some of them down. Then click play once you're ready. Can you tick or fix each word? Do you remember we spelt the word there earlier, didn't we? Can you see it's very similar to the spelling of here? Seagull, we've practiced that one. And stream. Could you hear the E digraph in dreaming? And meal? And did you remember the spelling of ow in about? Well done for mastering the digraph E with me today.